Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to get money heist filter on the Snapchat. So remaining part of this season 5 is coming soon, and maybe you are looking to for how you can get the filters on the Snapchat. So watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Snapchat mobile application and you have to click on this emoji icon. Once you will do it, now you have to click on the explore and you have to search for the money heist. Make a search and here you will see multiple filters of the money heist, like money heist mask and money heist different. So select any from here and enjoy it. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank